Hi friends, welcome to Decor Catalog. We as an interior and exterior design expert share with you modern trending and eye-catching designs that can enhance the charm and beauty of your house. So please subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. In today's video, we are sharing some incredible modern garden decor ideas to help you transform your outdoor space into a stunning oasis. From sleek lighting solution to stylish sitting areas, we have got you covered with the latest trends and tips for a contemporary garden makeover. In this video, we will discover innovative lighting ideas to create ambiance, stylish and functional sitting options, unique water features for a touch of tranquility, creative planters and containers for modern flair, vertical garden solution for small spaces, eye-catching garden art and ornaments, tips for incorporating sustainable decor. Whether you have a spacious backyard or a cozy balcony, these ideas will inspire you to create a modern garden that's both beautiful and functional. Ideas for decorating and beautifying any gardens are pathways and walkways. Use unique bricks, gravel, or wood to create attractive pathways. Consider adding stepping stones or a mosaic path for a unique touch. Install solar-powered garden lights along pathways and borders. Hang fairy lights or lanterns in trees and around sitting areas for a magical ambience. Use spotlights to highlight specific plant or garden features. Add a comfortable bench or swing for relaxation. Create a cozy sitting nook with outdoor furniture, cushions, and a small table. Install a fountain, pond, or bird bath to add the soothing sound of water. Consider a small waterfall or a bubbling rock features. Use decorative pots and containers for planting flowers and herbs. Arrange them in cluster or varying heights for visual interest. Incorporate sculptures, statues, or wind chimes for artistic flair. Use colorful grass or ceramic garden stakes. Create a vertical garden with wall-mounted planters. Use climbing plants like ivy roses to cover fences or walls. Define garden beds with decorative edging using stones, bricks, or metal. Plant border plants such as lavender, hostas, or ornamental grasses. Design a themed garden such as a butterfly garden, zen garden, or herb garden. Use decor items that match the theme, like butterfly feeders or zen stones. Add an arbor, pergola, or gazebo for structure and shade. Decorate with climbing plants and hanging baskets. Place whimsical ornaments like gnooms, fairy houses, or animal figurines. Use reclaimed or repurposed items like old bikes, ladders, or wheelbarrows as planters. Update your garden with seasonal decorations like pumpkins in the fall or festive lights during the holidays. Plant seasonal flowers to ensure year-round color and interest. Add bird feeders, bird houses, and bird baths to attract wildlife. Plant bird-friendly shrubs and trees for shelter and food. At the end, I can say by combining these elements, you can create a garden that is not only beautiful but also functional and inviting. I hope this video is informative for you. If you like this video, then please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.